Hello, friends. Welcome to this Great People interview series. And today, it's really going to be a great story because I have a great person who is going to solve our great problem. Uh, have you heard of eating sweets is not so considered healthy, right? Well, Christine is here to prove us all wrong that yes, sweets can be healthy as well, right? Let's find out in this interesting interview, uh, what it is when it comes to healthy sweets. Christine, welcome to this interview series.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be part of this interview. My name is Christine, and I'm the founder of Heavenly Healthy Sweets. It's a business born from my passion for creating delicious sweets that are nutritious and as well as being beautiful.
That already sounds so delicious. And so you are from Jordan, and
Yes.
it's amazing to have you in this UK sort of a setting, but where we actually consider not having so much of sweets because it's not obviously healthy. And I'm so eager to now find out how these sweets can be healthy. And so let me straight away jump into this topic and
Mhm.
try and understand what do you mean by healthy sweets? How does wellness come into picture when it comes to sweets?
Well, wellness starts with what goes into your food. At Heavenly Healthy, we replace the traditional ingredients like sugar, butter, white flour, and milk with the nourishing alternatives, such as homemade applesauce, almond flour, coconut flour, and whole wheat organic flour. So these natural choices, they don't only support your health, but they also make you feel good after eating them. So what we do is we cater to various dietary needs. We including sugar-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan options. And my mission is actually to make celebrations sweeter without compromising on health.
Wow, amazing. So, what sort of uh, options do you offer to your customers?
Well, everything's actually custom made according to what our customer needs.
Mhm.
Some of our customers are diabetics, so we have to make sure that all the ingredients go with what they can have as low carb and sugar free. We have a lot of vegans, so it all depends on the ingredients that we use in the sweets, and the design goes accordingly with the event that they would be having.
Oh, great. So you custom design things. So it's not only that they will have healthy sweet, but they will have something that they would like in terms of its ingredients. So it's highly customized sweets that you make. It's amazing. Um, so what kind of customer? Well, I guess you will have to do customer education quite a lot because people are not aware of this concept.
Yeah. Yes, they are not aware of this concept, and that's why we try to educate our customers with what we offer, what goes into the ingredients. We use social media to do that. We make many videos explaining what goes into our products and why, and how beneficial they are, and know how nourishing they are. They are not only healthy and good for your well-being, but they also contain many vitamins, which are also good for you. So healthy doesn't have to be restrictive. You can have a sweet, but at the same time, it can be good for you, not only just for your event at the time.
Wow, fantastic. So, looking at the current trends and what's happening across the world, um,
Mhm.
where do you see the intersection of cravings and care?
Mhm.
That's as in the perspective of evolving in baking world.
Well, cravings and care, they're no longer at odds in the baking world. I mean, the intersection is only growing stronger. People want indulgence, but they're also more conscious of what goes into their body. So the futures of baking is about balance, satisfying sweet cravings, genuinely caring for health and gut wellness, and sustainability. So with the rise of these plant-based ingredients and gut-healthy flours, desserts are not only delicious, but they're nourishing. So I see a shift towards mindful indulgence, where every bite, it brings joy and it's guilt-free at the same time.
Wow, wow. Um, I'm definitely going to ask you the durability or packaging of your products, and how can we get them in the UK? Can we get them in the UK?
Maybe very soon. You see, because we use organic ingredients, we make sure that everything is long lasting, everything is made fresh, of course. But I would love to actually explore that.
Yeah. So my question is, uh, how long these products of yours last, and what about the packaging? Can we have them in the UK?
Well, actually, it depends on the items. I mean, maybe the smaller items, because the cakes are really large for the events, but maybe like smaller items that are vegan, that do not contain the ingredients that could spoil, could be shipped, of course. But other
Wow.
items are more sensitive, and that's why we have our own delivery service who can handle these sensitive cakes, because they're all decorated, and we use beautiful flowers, toppers. Many things go into the cakes.
Wow, fantastic. That's amazing. Uh, Having said that, just want to know, what are the challenges you're facing in your current business?
Actually, we do face a lot of challenges. The major challenge that we face is with pricing, because these high quality ingredients like almond flour and natural sweeteners, monk fruit, they are significantly more expensive than the traditional ingredients. This naturally increases the cost of the final product. So it's a barrier for some of our customers. We try our best to make the sweets as accessible as possible to everyone, but to keep our standards and for health and quality, it does come at a cost, and it's not always within everybody's budget. Another challenge that we face is with many people thinking that healthy is tasteless or it's boring. So I've made it my mission to change. We prove that desserts can be actually, they look beautiful and they also taste good as well. We use rich flavors, creative designs, and eating healthy doesn't mean that you have to compromise on taste or beauty. Another ongoing challenge we face is sourcing, because these high quality ingredients aren't always easy to find locally, especially. Their availability is inconsistent. And on top of that, prices fluctuate constantly. So it makes it
Big
difficult for us to keep the cost stable. So we have to stay flexible and resourceful, and always looking for reliable sources without compromising on our quality that our customers trust.
Wow. Well, that's really a challenge that you have to overcome, and definitely when you scale up, the challenges will probably magnify, because then
Yes.
you have more orders and you can't fulfill them.
Yeah.
But I guess you will
We're
have to
managing.
find, yeah, we'll find suppliers who can supply.
Yeah.
You can find some storage, and probably ensure that you are buying ahead of time in quantity,
Yes.
which
Yes,
also,
we do. We do buy in bulk to keep our orders ongoing. And when actually something is not found, we always find an alternative that is in the same quality that our customers are used to.
fantastic. Well, what's your ultimate goal or vision?
My ultimate goal, of course, is to create meaningful impact. I mean, with what I'm very passionate about, which is baking healthy sweets. I want to inspire people that you can embrace wellness without sacrificing on joy or flavor, and that also caring for yourself can be elegant. You can have a beautiful, healthy cake. People, actually, a lot of our customers first come and they don't believe that our cakes are healthy because they don't look like healthy, which is boring, that idea that people have. But then they realize that no, it can be elegant, it can be delicious, and you can feel good after having them.
Wow, fantastic. That's really, really amazing. So, thank you so much for your time. And I think it's wonderful talking to you. Um, and definitely we will, I would say to the people in Jordan, you are lucky to have access to these products, and wish you all the good luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.